Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how to register for a TOEFL IBT test. ETS is the conducting body of the TOEFL exam and also administers the registration process of TOEFL for students who wish to appear for this exam. You can complete your TOEFL registration in three ways: online, via mail and by phone at the TOEFL registration center. There are various test centers available worldwide for the registration of TOEFL. Here are some important steps to be followed while registering for the TOEFL test online. Students must sign up at the TOEFL official website ets.org. They must make sure the name they use while registering matches the ID that they are planning to carry on the test day. After this, students can log in with their username and password. The home page displays My Tests. Click Register for a test. Now click on TOEFL test and proceed. Here students can confirm their registration once they get their desired test date and center. Students can choose up to 4 universities to send their TOEFL scores. If they wish to add more institutes, they can do so by paying an additional price of USD 20 each. Now we are going to cover how to register for the TOEFL exam by mail. Download and fill the TOEFL registration form available in PDF. Choose one of the payment methods listed in the form. Send the form with your payment to the address mentioned on the form or to your regional registration center. Forms must be received at least 4 weeks before your test date. If you do not receive a confirmation, call the location where you mailed your paperwork at least 3 business days before your registration deadline. For more information on TOEFL registration, check the description box below.